ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ5A Review. Worth buying for competitive gaming. In this video, I'm reviewing the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ5A to find out whether this 27-inch QHD gaming monitor is actually worth buying for competitive gaming. And the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ5A is tagged with this video, so you can check the product directly while watching and compare the current price and available options. Starting with the display, you get a 27-inch fast IPS panel with a 2560 by 1440 QHD resolution. This gives you noticeably more detail than a standard 1080p gaming monitor, while still being much easier for a gaming PC to drive at high frame rates than 4K. The biggest attraction for competitive gamers is the refresh rate. ASUS officially rates the VG27AQ5A at up to 210 Hz through DisplayPort, while HDMI supports up to 144 Hz. So if you're gaming on a compatible PC and want the maximum refresh rate, DisplayPort is the connection you'll want to use. Response time is another highlight. ASUS specifies a 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time and a minimum response time of 0.3 milliseconds. Combined with the high refresh rate, this monitor is clearly targeted at fast games like Counter-Strike 2, Valorant, Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Call of Duty. You also get AMD FreeSync Premium and VESA Adaptive Sync support, which synchronize the monitor's refresh rate with your GPU's output to help reduce screen tearing. Another useful gaming feature is ASUS ELMB Sync. This allows extreme low-motion blur technology to operate alongside variable refresh rate, helping improve motion clarity while reducing tearing during fast gameplay. Picture quality is quite competitive for this category as well. ASUS lists 130% sRGB color coverage, support for approximately 1.07 billion colors, a typical 1300 to 1 contrast ratio, 300 nit brightness, and HDR10 support. However, don't buy this monitor specifically for a premium HDR experience. With 300 nit typical brightness and no advanced local dimming system, HDR is more of an additional compatibility feature than the main reason to purchase this display. You also get gaming tools such as Shadow Boost, Game Plus, Game Visual, and Display Widget Center. There are even two built-in 2-watt speakers, although dedicated headphones or external speakers will give you a much better audio experience. There are a couple of compromises. The included stand supports tilt adjustment but doesn't provide height adjustment, which could matter if you're particular about ergonomics. Fortunately, the monitor supports a standard 100 by 100 mm VESA mount. Here's a pro tip: don't buy a 210 Hz monitor and then forget to enable the higher refresh rate. Connect through DisplayPort, open Windows Advanced Display Settings, select the VG27AQ5A, and choose the highest supported refresh rate. Also make sure your games are producing sufficiently high frame rates to take advantage of it. So, is the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ5A worth buying for competitive gaming? If you want the combination of 1440p resolution, a fast IPS panel, up to 210 Hz refresh rate, Adaptive Sync, FreeSync Premium, and ASUS ELMB Sync without jumping into expensive OLED territory, it offers a compelling competitive gaming package. But if you're a serious esports player who prioritizes maximum refresh rate above resolution, there are 240, 320, and even higher refresh rate alternatives worth considering. Overall, the VG27AQ5A makes the most sense for gamers who want competitive speed, without sacrificing the sharper image quality of 1440p. The ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ5A is tagged with this video, so check the tagged product to see the current pricing and decide whether it fits your gaming setup. If you found this review helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which gaming monitor you want me to review next.